Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we will show you how to make turnip greens in under 20 minutes. Here's a list of the ingredients you will need to prepare this dish. Please pause the video for your convenience and make note. To start off, we're going to put a little extra virgin olive oil in a tall pan. Usually a stock pot will work great for this type of green. Similarly to collard greens, spinach, things like that. We're going to put about a cup of chopped onions into the heated oil. We're going to stir this around and get it nice and soft. A little time has gone by. We're going to add some salt to our onions. This will help increase the speed of the softening process. Now we're going to add in some garlic. Yes, if you've watched my videos, we put garlic in almost everything. Can't go wrong with that taste. Now we're going to get this moved around until it becomes fragrant. Looking good, looking good. Make sure to move all those pieces off the sides of the pan. And then here's my reduced priced turnip greens. We're going to put this into our pot. Now you're going to notice this fills it up almost the entire way. Not to worry, we're going to add a little bit of chicken stock in with this. Now this is going to help steam the vegetables and cook these greens down just a little bit quicker. Make sure to mix from the bottom to the top. Reason being, we don't want those onions and garlic to burn at the bottom of the pot. Stir, stir. See, it's starting to wilt down the leaves. We're over halfway down. A quarter of the turnip greens. Looks like only a quarter of it left. Same amount, just cooked down. Here we go, adding a little bit of salt, some pepper. Oh yeah. Now we'll stir that and mix that thoroughly. What we're looking for is we want these stems that are in there to soften up a bit. The leaves soften pretty quick. The stems take a little more time. Here we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce and mix that in. Normally what you'll see is somebody will take these type of greens and pop them in with some stock and turkey neck or a smoked ham hock and let it cook for 3-4 hours. I found sometimes I don't have 3 or 4 hours and I need a side dish. This works really well. Tastes a little bit on the bitter side, but not much, and the flavor of the greens really come out. Test this out. All right, tasting good. Here we've got our oyster sauce. And we're gonna mix that in together. We're almost done here, folks. Total cooking time approximately 7 to 10 minutes. Here I add a little bit of sugar. This is completely optional, but I do find that it reduces the amount of bitterness in the taste. Wonderful. Oh, this smells so good, guys. So healthy. Dark greens, always good for you. And here's the end result. Full of flavor, done in under 20 minutes, start to finish. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to like and subscribe to make sure to get updates on future videos. It helps our channel a lot along with the algorithm.